this pop-over pan with vegetable oil spray and wiping most of it out. You just want a nice thin layer, almost like
because I have levers on the other side. You're right. You're right about that conflict.
Oh yeah, you just have to go more to the inside if there's enough room.
I think it's fine right here because of the way it sits.
Well, make sure with the handle on, it's not going to get in the way of anything else.
Right.
Dun, dun, dun.
Por favor. Come on now, squid. Oh, it's bonded.
And again, that's good.
Just gonna double check it. It's set. I'll come over and back your play.
Got to back your brother's play.
We've got the all the routing done. The post is installed. Everything is routed. Everything's done. We have
Everything's tightened.
We have a lever right here next to our shifter. We're ready to put the seat on.
So hit the button, see if it goes up on its own. Ah! Killer, man.